Monogram Dishwasher Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in monogram dishwashers that consist of monogram front-load dishwashers and monogram top-load dishwashers, along with all other monogram models. If you are having problems with your monogram dishwasher, such as the monogram dishwasher doesn't clean, or the dishwasher won't drain, the dishwasher buttons don't work, the dishwasher lights are flashing or blinking, your monogram dishwasher is leaking, your dishwasher won't start, your dishwasher latch is broken, your monogram dishwasher dispenser won't work, your dishwasher won't fill, your dishwasher's overflowing, your monogram dishwasher won't dry dishes, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.